Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to share with you a cute little Christmas craft that my aunts sent me from Instagram. They are little snow hats that hold chocolate. So I have some Ferrero Rocher chocolates in it, and then I also have some Lindt chocolates. These are the cutest and I'm going to show you how to do them, and I'm also going to link the original Instagram post below, so come along. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is cut up an old toilet paper roll, or you could use a paper towel roll, and you could measure it to be, the same width, but I'm just going to kind of guess on it, make them relatively the same. So the next step is to get my yarn ready. The video that my aunt sent me, the woman on there had like a piece of cardboard that she measured the yarn around. I'm just going to use kind of like my spread out fingers. You just kind of want lengths that are the same, length. So we'll just unroll this. And then I'm just going to kind of wrap to get a bunch in a row here. So now I'm going to cut all the tops like that. And I have a bunch of pieces of the same size yarn. So now I'm going to take one of my toilet paper rings and I'm going to fold the yarn in half. And I'm going to make a slip knot by going through and taking both tails back through the yarn loop and pulling it tight and pushing these two strings together on the cardboard, just like that. And again, I'm just kind of positioning these to line up together. So it's going to make the band of our hat. So I need a little bit more yarn, so I'm just going to do the same thing to get the same measurements. So I'm going to hold it and just wrap around my 4 fingers like that and cut. So these don't need to be exactly the same length, just close, because you're going to cut these for the pom-pom. These are roughly, let me measure here, 10-ish inches, but a little shorter, a little longer would also be fine. But if you want to be super meticulous about it, you could measure and cut each length. I'm not going to do that because I know we're going to cut off the extra. I'm just kind of straightening these as I go. All right, we have our yarn tied around this. So now instead of wanting to see all of the knots or the loops here, we're going to push all of this string through the loop of cardboard, kind of tucking it under so all those knots are now at the bottom. And then we're going to comb it out with our fingers, just getting it all nice and straight. All right, so now we need to tie a securing loop around the bottom. So I'm just going to take another piece of yarn and bundle them all up together, making sure they're nice and straight, and then just tie a knot. And I'm just kind of moving it up a little bit to give it kind of the dome of the hat. And then we're going to tie that off nice and tight. Just do a little double knot here. And then we're going to start shaping our pom-pom at the top. So I'm going to cut off the extra just to get started, and then we'll even it out. So here's the start of our hat. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use these. All right, let's just kind of, I'm going to use my embroidery scissors here and just kind of trim around to make it more of a ball shape. So I'm just kind of using my scissors to round out the pom-pom like that. And look how cute that is. I probably have my brim a little too wide. I wish I would have done it a little thinner, but I think it's really cute. And now what we're gonna do is either put a Ferrero Rocher chocolate in it like the girl off Instagram, upside down so the gold part comes, oops, got a bunch of extras here. Upside down so the gold part kind of makes the little head like that. I also bought Lindt chocolates, so I could do a Lindt chocolate instead. I'm gonna try and tuck the ends into it. And it's just like a cute little candy holder now. Isn't that adorable? I'm so glad my aunts found this, and they're both making them for place settings at their dinner table for Christmas. I'm probably just gonna give these a little stocking stuffers, just a cute way to kind of put some candy in your stocking. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.